Hey YouTube, this is going to be a video of my new knife that I got. Um, in my previous video I had this one, um, and this one was a stiletto replica with the rosewood handle and the steel here, but it has no spring device. And I'll just try and get it open here with one hand. It opens like that. So it looks like kind of like a stiletto a little bit, but I wanted kind of something, you know, that actually had spring to it, so I came across this one. This is from a company called Panther, and here's the safety. So you push that up, and the button can't be pushed. When you put it down, the blade comes out. Now the blade is all stainless steel. It's very sharp, and it's got like kind of a chrome plating right here. It's a very heavy knife for its size. So you got a very good spring to it. So anyway, that's just a quick look, and hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.